Hello, you lovely people. This is me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, I've just come back from Phuket in Thailand, of course. And of course, when you're in Thailand, there's one thing that you just cannot miss, and that is a Thai curry. Well, today I'm showing you a red Thai curry with sweet potatoes. Let's begin. Sweet potato Thai curry. Whenever you're making a Thai curry, first things first, you always need a Thai curry paste. Now, whether you're making it green in color, red in color, or yellow in color, of course, which is known as masaman curry, you primarily need the curry paste. Now, today, of course, I'm going to make the Thai curry paste in-house, and let me quickly show you the ingredients for that. So, let's begin with the Thai curry paste. In this case today, red in color. First things first, of course, I'm going to take a mixer grinder, and to that, I'm going to add in Kashmiri red chilies. Let's remove the stalks off and snip these into a couple of pieces. Do not need to roast these. This is just about perfect. A generous 2-inch piece of lemongrass. Of course, I'm also going to keep a little aside for later use. Let's slice this roughly. I'm also going to retain a little aside for later use. A little knob of galangal. This adds in a typical camphor-like aroma. Let's move on to a couple of kaffir lime leaves. Couple of stems of coriander, including the root. The root in this case is for that intense earthiness. Wash it nicely, clean it, and put it to use. Moving on to some shallots or red onions. Choice is completely yours. Couple of cloves of garlic, couple of chilies, in this case bird's eye. I'm typically using bird's eye in this case for that intense spice in the curry. Next, I'm going to use a combination of two varieties of basil, in this case sweet basil and hot basil or Thai basil. Couple of leaves, including the soft stem, and hot basil or Thai basil. Now, ideally, your Thai curry paste can actually start rolling in right at this stage, but I'm adding in a couple of more ingredients, and this is completely optional. The first one is a Thai coriander, which looks something like this. It's a sawtooth-like crinkly coriander. And along with this, a tiny knob of krachai, again completely optional. Let's snip this up like so. This also adds in a wonderful fresh note to the Thai curry. Let's cover this and grind this into a fine and smooth paste. A Thai curry paste is done and ready. Let's move on straight to making the Thai curry now. First things first, I'm going to add in this paste into the pan. The pan is off at this point in time. And the beauty of this curry is it does not begin with oil. It begins with the paste. We add in all the ingredients, including the water and the core ingredient, in this case, the sweet potato, which I'm going to cut into little dices. And that's it. You boil it till the sweet potato is cooked, and with that, your sweet potato Thai curry is done and ready. But this is just the beginning. Let's move on to the rest of the ingredients. Beginning with thin coconut milk. Let's add in a couple of thick slices of lemongrass. Now, thicker in this case because you can ideally remove these while eating. Let's add in a couple of basil leaves, kaffir lime, just snipping it. Couple of Thai red chilies, sugar or palm sugar, depending on what you're looking at. Now, originally in the recipe, you would use fish sauce, but just to counterbalance, I'm adding in a touch of light soy sauce. Pea aubergine. Now, this is also optional. If you can lay your hands on this, nothing like it. If not, then you can avoid this completely. You can just snip the stalks off, and there you go. A thick wedge of lemon. A couple of slices of galangal, salt as required, and lastly, our core ingredient, and in this case, sweet potato. Wash it nicely, scrub it if required, and cut this into thick roundels. Let's transfer these in our Thai curry, and along with this, a cupful of water. And finally, we turn the flame on. Give this one quick stir to ensure all of this gets mixed and starts bubbling to glory to ensure the sweet potatoes also cook. This will take at least 15 minutes on medium flame. Do not worry about the color because we're going to top this up with coconut cream. It's been 15 minutes. Let's have a quick check. Well, the sweet potato seems to be perfectly done and cooked. Let's now add in the coconut cream. One quick stir, 30 seconds on high flame, and with this, our Thai curry is done and ready. It's been 30 seconds, and with this, off goes the flame. You may ask, what do I serve this with? Well, simple steamed rice, jasmine rice, if of course you can lay your hands on. Try this, make this for your family, make this for your friends, and impress them with a sweet potato this time. Albeit, Thai curry. Bye for now.